My name's Penny Mountbatten. I come from London and I arrived in SOUKYA nearly 3 weeks ago with chronic inflammation, very, very bad stress, a pronounced limp. I just left my crutches in London when I flew to Bangalore, and I was feeling really out of touch with my mind, my body and my spirit. In fact, I really was very, very ill. And after nearly 3 weeks here, I feel like a completely different person. I've been treated extremely well and with a very holistic approach with integrative medicine, which I'm sure you would be able to explain, Doctor, much better than I can.
Thank you, Lady Penny. She came here about 3 weeks ago with a severe hip pain and the pain in the thigh muscles, the lower leg. So on arrival, she met with our chief, Dr. Isaac Mathai. Followed by that, we met the Ayurveda doctor and the homeopathy doctor, the naturopath. So all doctors of different systems met her, and then we finally sat together to devise a strategy to address her issues. So she was basically a case of osteoarthritis. She underwent 2 surgeries for her hip replacement, and that was the way when she was presented to us with a severe pain, and all the stress of the medical condition that she has, and also other stress associated with the work and life was really kind of taxing you a lot. Yes, so that was the way when she was brought here. So from our Ayurveda perspective, it looked like she required a complete detox or vata management. So she went through a detox program, both physical as well as an emotional detox, and she looks very different today. And she's a totally different lady from the day when I met her on the first day.
Yeah.
So
after both of the hip replacement surgeries I had, I was prescribed 2 very strong opioid drugs, OxyContin and fentanyl, which made me feel really ill, mentally and physically. And I'm so happy that I am now off of those chemical medicines and able to just heal myself with plant-based medicines and homeopathy, acupuncture, naturopathy, in the good hands of all the wonderful doctors and the team here.
how do you feel today after the
I feel
therapy?
like I've had a transformation.
Very good.
I feel like I've been healed. I feel like I'm totally detoxified from all the horrible drugs and chemicals I was taking
Yes.
during my surgery and the
Right.
recovery from that. But I really hadn't recovered. I had these 2 hematomas in my legs
Right.
that were restricting my mobility but giving me nerve pain, and all of that is gone.
Very good.
I feel like I could do a cartwheel on this grass.
Very good. She came here with a severe pain of the hip joint post-surgery and both the sides. And then she also had severe tenderness of her thighs because of the hematoma and lack of exercise. So all that is now really relieved, and she is now ready for a car race.
Yes, I am. I feel so grateful that I found SOUKYA and met Dr. Mathai in London. The instant I met him, I knew that he could help me because he could see what was wrong with me without even examining me. My whole body was lopsided, and that was affecting my lower back. My wrists were really sore. I'm now able to do yoga. I'm able to walk around the walking track here very fast with a spring in my step.
Very good.
And the food that I've been nourished with and all of the Ayurvedic remedies that I have been drinking and inhaling and having rubbed all over my body have made the most remarkable difference.
Very good.
And I think also the acupuncture has really helped clear the channels, and I feel like I've got a 30-year-old body.
Right.
And when I arrived here, I felt 100 years old and very sad. And now I'm so happy I could scream and sing and dance.
This is the typical cases that we handle here,
Yes.
because our strong areas are these degenerating conditions or autoimmune conditions, neurodegenerative conditions. So we are very good in treating that.
I've also had a complete homeopathic procedure or process. Every night I've taken homeopathy.
Right.
And I think the mix of all of these
therapies. It is not just the medicine, whether it is homeopathy, Ayurveda or naturopathy. It is also the environment here. It is the food. It is the air, as you say. Everything counts when it comes to healing. So it is that's what we refer to as holistic healing.
Yes.
And we always say we don't treat a disease. We treat the person. We don't do disease management. We do health management.
Yes, and the things that you've taught me here are actually quite easy to implement in my own life. You know, they're small changes, but I know they will keep me healthy.
Yes.
And now that I'm actually able to move, I'll be able to carry on exercising and eating well and feeling better.
Yes. So here in these 3 weeks or whatever the period people stay here, we actually equip them to handle the world outside and maintain that. So it is not like when you go, you do all these things. We prepare them from the day one so that even after they go from SOUKYA, they can continue to practice that.
Yes.
So that is our philosophy.
Well, it's been the most positive experience and one I will never forget, and I'm truly grateful for.